Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. I have Pizzahut, as you can see. Before I even start eating, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Boy, you better subscribe to me, girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get in because I think this is a little warm. So I'm gonna get this.
That was cool. That's gonna be a weird show.
It's cool. We can be like this. I'm getting to it. Okay, I might not do a lot of talking because I really am hungry. I do want to get into this side first though. I got stuffed crust. You see it? I don't want to get too close. Remember last time? Wait. Stuffed crust. I don't want no ranch or nothing because I have to get up. This is pretty good. Gotta be careful. This got a lot of sausages versus this one. Why not make it even? Also, I guess this is a garlic crust. Some sort. There you go. You need some. There you go. I need some anyway. This ain't got much. I want it to be even. Anyway, I done vlog on what I did today. My mom went to go get this pizza. Don't know when it's gonna be out. I don't know if I taste cheese. I'm about to take some of these off. I just start from this part. I don't want that sauce. I just want it to be good. Let's see. should have asked for more sauce. Y'all ain't see no sauce dripping from me, right? That's one slice. Yeah, a school period. They had the pizza with the stuffed crust. I had a pizza with the stuffed crust. Bro, I think that used to be my thing. No, I think it was the chicken patty. They had chicken patty. When it was chicken patty day for lunch, they always gave you a menu. Not good menu, but they had a menu up. I was like, that. Because when you're hungry, you don't care how it tastes. That's a fact. When you're dead hungry, you want to all them classes. You had no snack time, no break time. See me? Back in school, I was called the snack lady. I knew everybody was hungry. Sitting in class, listening to the teacher, writing notes, throwing, like, bro. I was hungry. So I started, first of all, I was taking stuff from the house. Literally. Cause we had like, you know, snacks in the house in the crib. I was like, oh, let me take two of these. Chips, honey bun. I used to be charging. I used to be like, I got something. And literally after I started like doing it and bringing stuff, you know, to the classroom, they were like, you got that? I had it in my backpack. I carried my books, but I had my snacks in the backpack. I was never for this job. Literally, because it was one class, but no, it was all my classes. Everybody started finding out. I didn't get in trouble for it. Because we did when the teacher wasn't teaching. They didn't do it while she was talking. While she was talking. I just right. Oh my god. That was so funny to me. I don't really snack. That's, see, selling snacks. In high school, man. I did it in middle school too. I think I had to be late middle school, but I know I just moved out here, so. I did or didn't. But yeah, hustle, motivate. I need some motivation right now. A speech or something, shit. Keep it in hand. I got like 2 napkins right here, so I don't know how to go leave the room. Get one napkin. I got 2 because I think when my nephew wake up, he's gonna be hungry. So I probably have half. I'm gonna save him at least a pizza. I'll slice a pizza with 2. But anyway, y'all. I may have one more in me. I've really been here watching movies, catching up on stuff I haven't caught up on, learning how to edit better. Literally. Ow. I cut my finger, y'all. I'll probably show y'all that. It's hurting if I hit it on something. I'm trying to let the air, like, since I'm off for work, because this has happened. I've been having to like wear a glove. Like I had to like literally pull, like, okay, if you have a glove, see the finger parts, fingers. I just pull one off, and I just put it on my thumb and put a band-aid over top of that. Not on that, but put the band on my thumb and then put that on top of that. Cause it was, I don't want to get dirty, infected. But yeah, I was, like I said, I was watching TV, movies, catching up things. My brain kind of blew me. But I think everyone in my crib is taking a nap. But I feel like if I take a nap, I'll be asleep forever. Because I have to wake up 6 in the morning, get ready for it. Any other day, you know. I'll be tired. Then I'll be out in the sun. It'd be a no. I was like, I already knew this weekend. I was like, I'm about to just chill. I really told myself I ain't going nowhere. I'm just chill in the house. Watch movies. Do my hair. That still didn't do. I actually probably do that when I wake up from this nap I'm about to take. God, I really thought I was gonna eat another piece of pizza. This is long enough. Because I'm learning more. Okay? About videos. Try not to make them so long. You have less to edit. But this really did get me full, y'all. I like it. I like it a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please, I'm trying to do better at this, okay? I'm trying to get better day by day. I mean, I only ate 2 pieces, but that's okay. It ain't going to trash. Heck no. I just want to get a little something to you today. Okay? I just want to do a little something. That's all. I really ate 2 pieces. It was stuffed crust, by the way. Cheese extra. Then I got toppings over here. Toppings is more. Okay, I ate one of each. Oh my god. I like the cheese. Y'all just came for the eating? Or hear me talk? I'm sorry. I could have did into this one though, y'all. I ain't gonna do that. I said at least 3. Oh shoot. Shoot. Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm just really trying to life update. No, I'm gonna do another video. Thinking about it, because I already told y'all this is already long, 60. But I'm gonna get into this a little bit. A little bit. Okay. The rain stopped. I was supposed to go wash my car and do my hair. But now I'm gonna nap. I really want to take a nap. I'm sorry, I love naps. Well, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm gonna go ahead and do the shift I'm supposed to do. I'm gonna have to try later. Bye.